Chef Robert Robinson is the CEO of the Bread of Life Cooking Show. He is currently featured on the Inspirational Faith Network and can be seen regularly in the Dallas schools, recreational centers, and the community displaying his cooking talent. He features healthy choices such as vegetables, whole grain, fruits, and lean meat. He demonstrates through the preparation of meals how to use fresh ingredients to introduce students to better, fresher tasting food. He uses his platform to teach young people how to make healthy choices to prevent diseases and obesity. Chef does not have an ordinary cooking show. A unique part of his show is a special guest, Puppet Chef Bruno. He not only tantalizes your tummy, but he also warms your heart. With the help of Bruno, Chef captures the attention of kids to teach scriptures that nourishes them spiritually. His food is appealing to the eye, delightful to the senses, and tastes delicious. All of this makes for a heavenly experience. Chef Robinson's cooking show allows him to elevate, educate, and entertain people from all walks of life. He has been cooking for over 35 years. He feels blessed to have such an opportunity and sees it as a part of his own ministry, and in it, he is saving souls one tablespoon at a time.
Y'all see me cooking all day. My people been peeping, y'all watch me cook hot plates. You know you like the way the chef plays, cause he's the type of chef who won't make what y'all make. So please get our chef way before he stir you in the bowl just like he make a cake. You are the chefs and ready to partake. Chef Robinson in the kitchen whipping up hot plates. Hot plates.